What's going on, guys? It's G here. G's Loft. And today is the first day of the training for the small loft. This is only the small loft. I have 50 something in the big coop, and I got 12 more from my partners to come over, and a few of myself. So probably around 70 in the big coop, and there's 46 in the small coop. And these birds been bunching up, grouping up really well. They're looking really good. For the most part, nice and calm. Just the newer ones, you know. I did lose a black. The other black, it's not here. But the black white flight is, and my first black one, it's right there. It is. But the other one, I lost her. When, how, where, I don't know, but she's gone. It is what it is. She probably landed on a tree. I went inside. It slept out and something got her. That's, because the bird flew around already. But it is what it is. I don't got time to be, leaving the trap open, coming back down, shutting the trap. Once they go in, I give it a few minutes, like 20 minutes for whoever's out there. Once that doors are shut, the doors are shut. They probably got eaten by a raccoon or something. Oh, stop it. Sorry about that, guys. But there's probably 2 or 3 in here that is fairly new and haven't taken to the skies yet. And today it's gonna be forced to fly to the loft. Lose its fear. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening these things by not letting it out drop down. If it drops down by itself, it drops down by itself. But in that case, so come on, man, what's going on here? Oh, come on. What is the issue? Oh, that's why I was the wrong way. Duh. Come on. Go ahead. Jeez, they all took to the skies. Let's go see this. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. I'll take care of the crates later. I got this tree that's fell down in the middle of the yard. I gotta cut it. Those birds are grouping. They're going. Sorry about that, guys. I love seeing the birds fly like that, a nice group. Still got the other birds in there. I can just imagine 2 coops together, how it's gonna look. The amount of birds that's gonna fly over my head. There they go. Come on. Where are you guys? I'm in the shade. I want to stay in the shade. Here we go. Here's one. I just seen him. There's a little red one. These are probably the new ones that haven't really taken to the sky, so they're fairly new. There we go. Well, for the most part, everybody's doing good. You know, just probably like 1, 2, or 3 that's behind with this coop. It's not the behind, is, you know, I put them in late. And really not late, it's just, you know, sometimes we have time for this, sometimes we don't. I'm gonna call them. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. See how fast these birds come down. I'm gonna call them real quick. They're gonna start dropping. Watch. There's one that start dropping. They come like, they drop from the sky like they don't care. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at this, look at this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woohoo. Yeah, what I'm talking about, baby. Come on now, come on now, come on now, come on now. Come on, come on. That's what I'm talking about, right out of the skies. Come on now, come on now, come on, come on now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. You guys deserve a trophy. That's what you guys deserve. Now that's what you call having control. Go ahead, dummy. And there's probably one flying around, a blue checker, white flight. He's always the last one. Oh, there he is. Come on, come on, come on, dummy. Come on, boy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. White flight. Boom. Huh. Always the last one. Never fails. Come on, boy. And that's what we call control from the skies. Okay? Everybody went up. Everybody's gonna eat. That's it. There he is. Blue checker, white flag. Yep. So, there it is, guys. What you guys think about that? Is that having control or what? Let's go check out these boys. I went today with a friend to pick up some bird feed. I really don't like this stuff, like for the purpose of what it serves, the coccidiosis, anti-cocci. I just like it because of the smell. But I stacked up, you know, I really did. A lot of money. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's it. So what are we thinking? You guys want to go out? Yeah? Maybe want to wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow, these guys are going to join with the small coop. All right. All right, come on. That's my sign for them to back up. Back it up. So I can get out. Get on, get out of here. Come on. We got some babies. You guys feel like those two babies. Those are mine. Those are going to a friend of mine. This is going to a friend of mine. This is going to a friend of mine. I already gave him 2. I got the white ones. Keeping the white ones. And he's gonna get 4 from those babies over there. So he's gonna get 10 babies out of me. And we're going from there. And that's what it is, guys. You get the breeder cocks in this section. All my birds are now separated 100%. Look at these 2 cocks. He thinks the ash red is a hen, and he chases them all day long. He chases them, never stop. It's crazy. It'll drive me nuts if I watch them too. But what do y'all think, huh? Yeah, birds are going, doing nice. Nice. That's some good action right there. That's what's up. Come on, boys. Eat up. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I gotta go get my crates. I need probably another 4 crates. I'm gonna need, if these birds stick around. You know, I'm gonna need like another 6 more. Not 6 more, maybe 3 more. And that's it. Well, guys, I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, comment down below what you guys thought about it, you know. And see you guys later. Adios.